Hi! So today I have a projector screen. We're going to be setting it up in the backyard so you can see it. On a past video I had gotten a projector and so I'm going to use that. We were using a sheet and now we have a screen to use it on. So I'll set it up and you guys can see it. Okay, you can see we got it set up. That's how big it is. Some of the straps are a little confusing. On the corners, you just go around the hook. Maybe I should take you over and show you. For these hooks on the corner, we just went around the hook when we put it on. The rest were Velcro. This one Velcroed. And then at the very top, we just hooked it around that. So yeah. There it is.